still using Antigravity or Cursor in generic way by giving prompts and wasting time fixing errors, you don't have to do this when you use skills.md in Cursor or Antigravity. If you are using Antigravity, just make sure to create folder called agent and inside it skill.md. Then give Antigravity the structure you want to create your app, from UI design to database and API structures. You can write this structure with your company you work to not miss any details. Then ask Antigravity, as a full-stack developer, read skills.md file and start to implement all these instructions step by step. Antigravity will start, analyze the skills, then creates implementation plan. This implementation plan includes everything it recognized inside skills.md file, including the backend, database, middleware, API routes, and everything about front-end and design system. Why do you have to do this? When Antigravity or Cursor reads this instruction inside your file, it will create an idea about our app, as Antigravity doesn't have any idea what do we want and what is our app unless we provide instructions to recognize them. Not only this, you will spend less token by doing this method, especially if you use the free plan. If you are using Cursor instead of Antigravity, all you need to do is to rename this folder with Cursor, then create another folder called roles. Then inside roles, just put skills.md. And here is the result. Our pages in post front-end and back-end. And here is the result. It created the same theme, the same colors, and everything comes from our database. I can add to cart, go to Stripe payment, and here is my orders, and I could immediately receive an email about my order, because inside skills.md I asked Antigravity to send and receive emails for both customers and vendors. And if I log in as a vendor, I can manage my dashboard and my orders, and whenever I change the status, the customer will receive email from vendor that the status has been delivered. And not only this, if you don't want to waste your time creating skills.md file, you can create it globally. Just go back to Antigravity. Additional options, customization. Inside rules, click on global. By default, Antigravity will create directory inside users, your username, Gemini, and here we got gemini.md. Inside it, you can paste the rules that you might use them inside any project, especially inside e-commerce project. And what will happen next? Antigravity automatically will recognize this file inside our machine and start to implement it without writing this file again from scratch. By using skills.md, you will save a lot of tokens because you are reducing prompts and fixing errors, which consume a lot of tokens.